You know, as many miles as April has on the outside of the car, under the car, right?
Yeah.
She's got just as many miles inside with all these pets.
Yeah, remember, she saves a lot of pets. That means a lot of hair, a lot of dirt, a lot of pet
Damage.
danger.
Yeah. So, man, we are hooking her up with 3D Mats USA, man. These things are sweet. And they're
Yeah.
gonna go a long way to, let's say, covering up some of the old stuff and just giving it a fresh.
Yeah.
And being able to pull these out for a quick clean.
Yeah, rigid multi-layer construction. And check out this backing, man. That is cool.
Yeah, this is their MAXpider fibers. It's kind of like a mild Velcro. So
Yeah.
once you put it in there, it doesn't move around. And then you got your factory retaining clips to go along with it.
Now, they have everything for third row, front row, and now, you know she rescues a bunch of dogs. Check this out. It's their pet travel seat bag. This thing is cool. It's like a little saddle or like a bag. It fits between the front row, second row, and it's just like a bag. You put it over the headrest. Super cool, big time
Smart,
protection.
man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Way
keeps them
smart.
in place. It keeps all that stuff right there.
Yeah.
Now check this out. They've got a couple options here. So we put the full mat because she runs it a lot of times with the third row down. But if you just want the rear cargo mat, you see how it's shorter here. You can get the shorty one for when your seats are up most of the time. So you got a nice choice there.